Please welcome Javier Rebollo.
Thanks for coming. Qué maravilla escuchar y ver las películas en este cine.
How wonderful to listen to and watch films in this cinema. Thank you.
Nunca las miro, pero ha sido imposible no abandonarlas, no irme.
Usually I don't stay and watch my movies, but it was impossible for me to leave.
Gracias.
He's going to be invited back to this festival, I'll tell you that. Let's start with some questions from me. Could you talk, one of the things that impressed my colleagues and I very much was the use of the narration and la narración. And was that always an idea to make a film that was so dependent in many ways on narration? It seemed like a very Argentine idea, so it was great that you set the film there.
Voy a hablar en español, discúlpenme. Mi inglés es como el argentino de Pepe.
His English is like the Argentine accent of José Sacristán, who just won an award for this film at San Sebastián. Yes, he just awarded Best Actor at the San Sebastian Film Festival. Yeah. And also, the film won the Critics' Prize at San Sebastian.
Es complicado utilizar palabras después de una película que tiene tantas palabras.
It's complicated to use words after a film that has so many words.
Aunque no tiene tantas.
Well, it doesn't have that many.
Solo es cómo están colocadas, la impresión que lo produce.
It's really the way that they're placed. It gives you the impression that there's really a lot of words.
No sé, esta película contiene muchas películas.
This film contains many films.
Una de ellas que a mí me interesa mucho es la de la construcción del mito.
One of the films it contains is the one about the construction of a myth.
El mito de Santos, el mito de José Sacristán mítico.
The myth of Santos, the myth of kind of the mythological José Sacristán.
Y para el mito es muy importante lo oral, la palabra.
And for myths, orality, the oral, is very, very important.
Pienso en las baladas norteamericanas.
He believes in the words, North American words.
En el cantar de gesta francés.
El
cantar de gesta francés.
And to sing in French words.
O los romances de ciego españoles.
Or in old kind of romantic ballads of the Spaniards.
La palabra es algo maravilloso.
The word is really the marvelous.
Y en el cine es mucho más rica aún que en la literatura.
And in cinema, words are actually much richer than they are in literature.
Porque aparece una maravillosa dialéctica, ¿no?, entre lo que se ve y lo que se dice.
Because a marvelous dialectic appears between what you see and what you hear.
Es una narración más compleja de lo que parece, aunque esto no tengo que decirlo yo.
The narration of this film is more complex than it might appear at first, although perhaps that's not for me to say.
Sí, al comienzo, si fijan ustedes, parece que es clínica, que repite lo que se ve.
At first, it's almost a clinical narration, as if it's repeating what we're looking at.
Lo que ya es inquietante, produce cierta sospecha, ¿no?
Which is a little troubling and makes us a little bit suspicious about the film.
Incomodidad.
It makes us uncomfortable.
Pero poco a poco esta narración va evolucionando, va cambiando.
But bit by bit it begins to evolve, it begins to change.
Y empieza a decirnos que no se fíen de todo lo que ven.
And finally the narration tells us, just don't trust everything that you see.
O al revés, quizá, no recuerdo bien lo que cuento.
Or on the contrary, it says, I don't really remember very well what I'm telling you.
Porque la narración soy yo, es el director, es la instancia del que cuenta el relato.
Because it's really me, it's the director from a distance who's relating this story to you, recounting this story to you.
Y quizá uno, mientras cuenta la película, no acaba de acertar a encontrar la palabra justa.
And while one is narrating or making the film, there's times when you just don't find the sort of proper word that you want to use.
Se equivoca, duda.
You forget, you have doubts.
Es un narrador torpe, melancólico.
It's a kind of melancholy, somewhat sort of upset narrator.
Y quiero pensar que al final ya te toma de la mano y te hipnotiza y no te suelta. Quiero pensar. La voz te toma y ya no te suelta.
And I like to believe that by the end of the film, the voice has taken you by the hand and hasn't let go.
Demasiadas palabras.
Can you talk about your use of locations? Did you have those locations in mind, or did you discover them while you were there?
Yo localizo antes de escribir.
I always find my locations before I write my screenplay.
Solo productores muy generosos como Luis Miñarro o José Noya te permiten ir a otro continente a ver localizaciones antes de ponerte a escribir la película.
Only very generous producers such as Luis Miñaro or José Noya allow a director to actually fly all the way to another continent to look for locations before he or she's even written a screenplay.
El director de arte me decía, no digas que no hemos hecho casi nada.
The art director would say, don't tell them we've done practically nothing here.
Porque Argentina es así.
Because that's what Argentina is like.
En realidad esto es cinema verité.
This is really a kind of cinema verite movie.
Hay que decir que hicimos 25.000 kilómetros. ¿Oyen bien?
We actually traveled about 25,000 kilometers
Antes de empezar a rodar.
before we began shooting.
No era para preparar la película, era para pasarlo bien, porque uno hace cine para beber Fernet con Pepsi Cola.
It wasn't so much for the film, but it was to really have a good time, to really get the feel of the place.
Te pasan cosas, conoces gente,
Things happen to you, you get to know people,
sobornas a la policía.
you have to pay off the police,
Eso nos pasó a nosotros.
and that happened to us.
Y le cambiamos la multa por una cuchara de madera. Es absurdo. Y hubo que cambiarlo por la Virgencita.
Yeah. And actually we had to pay a fine by trading him for a wooden spoon.
Entonces, a lo largo de tantos kilómetros te pasan cosas, te ponen en el disparadero de escribir.
And so in the course of traveling so many miles and having so many things happen to you, it sort of inspires you to start writing.
Las localizaciones corresponden cada una a los lugares por donde pasa el Camborio.
The locations correspond to every place that the station wagon passed through.
Entre Buenos Aires y Bolivia hay 2.000 kilómetros.
Between Buenos Aires and the border of Bolivia is about 2,000 kilometers.
Como nuestros bandidos van por carreteras secundarias, como bandidos hicimos 6.000 rodando.
But because bandits will often travel on the back roads, in our trip it took about 6,000 kilometers.
Y yo quiero pensar que eso se nota en el cuerpo, en el sudor, en la cara de los actores.
And I hope that that really is felt by you in the sort of sweat, in the face, in the very bodies of the actors.
El paisaje cambia, cambian las localizaciones, cambia el color del acento de los personajes.
The backgrounds change, what happens changes, even in a sense the way the characters talk, their accents begin to change.
Y cambiábamos nosotros mientras hacíamos la película.
And we too were changing while we were making this film.
Y a fin de cuentas uno hace cine para eso.
And when you think of it, that's not really why you make films.
Espero que ustedes sean diferentes hasta que hace 90 minutos cuando entraron.
I hope that you're different, all of you are different 90 minutes now after you've seen this film. Questions from all of you? Yes, ma'am. Hold on, do we have a microphone today? Yes, we do.
In the beginning of the film, he doesn't complete his killing job. Is that because he recognizes his own mortality? Are you making a statement? I mean, he's an experienced killer, and he goes in with 2 guns, and he doesn't kill anyone.
Quizá sus pistolas se han contagiado de sus tumores.
Perhaps his pistols have also become infected with his tumors.
Quizá no ha matado una mosca en su vida este hombre.
Okay.
Quizá no ha matado una mosca en su vida.
Perhaps this man in his life never really killed a fly.
Quizá no ha salido del hospital.
Perhaps he's never really left the hospital.
Una de las características del mito, decía Roland Barthes, es que se abre a todas las posibilidades.
One of the characteristics of myth, according to Roland Barthes, is that it opens itself to every possibility.
La película no es contradictoria, es paradójica.
This film is not contradictory, it's paradoxical.
Un salón puede estar vacío completamente, pero a la vez lleno.
A room can be completely empty, but sometimes it's completely full.
De las presencias, de los fantasmas que habitaron aquel lugar.
It can be full of the ghosts, of the essences, the presences of people who have been in that room.
Un hombre puede ser un cobarde y un valiente.
A man can be both a coward and a hero.
Como decía Cervantes, y esta película es muy cervantina.
That's what Cervantes said, and I think this is a very Cervantian film.
Un hombre como Santos puede ser impaciente y paciente.
Someone like Santos can both be patient and very impatient.
Todo es más simple y más complejo.
So everything is kind of both simple but much more complex. Yes, over here.
there's also an archival quality to your film. You are showing certain places that will disappear soon. I was reminded.
De archivo en su película porque estás mostrando lugares que van a
I was reminded when you show the mall, for example. I was thinking of Benjamin's unfinished arcades project. You show snippets of places that disappear. Can you talk a little bit?
Sí, sí.
It's great. It's great.
¿Entendiste?
Sí, sí.
Sí.
A ver, qué bonito.
How lovely.
No, solo por esto que dices, merece la pena haber venido a Nueva York.
Just for what you've said, it's worth the trip to New York.
Una ciudad que no quería yo por motivos personales.
A city which I didn't like for some personal reasons.
Cézanne decía que había que pintar rápidamente, porque los lugares desaparecen muy rápidamente.
Cézanne used to say that one has to paint very quickly because places disappear very quickly.
Y Romer lo tomó de Cézanne. Filma rápidamente, que todo cambia.
And Eric Romer took that and, in a sense,
Robert Bresson.
Bresson, I'm sorry. Bresson took that sort of motto and also filmed very, very quickly.
Hacer cine es papel que arde.
That's it.
Hacer películas es papel que arde.
To make film is to make something, a piece of paper that's burning.
Todos estos lugares están a punto de desaparecer.
All of these places are just on the point of about to disappear.
Yo recuerdo que en mi primera película estaba rodando en un hospital de París. Rodábamos por el ala izquierda y en la derecha una excavadora iba tirando el hospital.
In my first film, we were filming in a provincial hospital, and while we were filming on the right-hand side of the hospital, on the left-hand side of the hospital, they were knocking it down.
En La Mujer sin piano, todo el área donde está rodada, de suburbana, alrededor de una estación de autobuses de Madrid, ya la han tirado.
In his first film, which we showed in Spanish cinema now, Woman Without Piano, all the area around that train station has all been knocked down since I shot the film.
Con eso desaparecen las personas que lo habitaron y quedan como fantasmal el lugar.
And with that, all the people who used to live there remain now only as phantoms, as traces in those spots.
Probablemente podrá filmarse otras películas ahí, pero ya nunca estas.
Of course, you can make other films there, but you could never make these films.
Y estas películas son documentales, por eso.
And because of that, these films are documentaries.
Aki Kaurismäki, el amigo Aki, dice eso también, que hay que filmar estos sitios porque estamos haciendo documental, estamos salvándoles de su desaparición.
Aki Kaurismäki, who's a friend, says we have to film these places because by filming them, we're saving them. They're going to disappear.
Y mi libro de cabecera durante todo el viaje ha sido el libro de los pasajes de Walter Benjamin.
And in fact, the book that I brought with me, sort of my reading material where I was going, was a book by Walter Benjamin, the passages in the arcades. So,
De verdad, it's great.
so it's great that you brought that up. Can you speak a little bit about that German colony? Was that something that you...
It's true. It's true. It's great. Yo había oído hablar de este lugar.
I'd heard a lot of talk about this place.
Y llegamos allí y era todo como Twin Peaks.
And when we got there, it was just like Twin Peaks.
Todo era muy agradable, muy bonito.
Everything was very pleasant, very
Todos
pretty.
eran muy dulces.
Everybody was very sweet and
Pero
nice.
había algo ahí sospechoso.
But there was something really suspicious about the
Y
place.
luego cuando ves andar un señor de 96 años que fue capitán de Goebbels y bombardeó Londres, dices, coño.
And so when you walk around, you see some 96-year-old man who you know used to be in the SS and bombed London. You go, God damn it.
Pero son muy simpáticos.
But they are very friendly.
El lugar existe y de verdad fue una colonia, es una colonia donde hay refugiados muchos nazis. Ya quedan pocos.
The truth is that indeed it is a settlement where many Nazis found refuge. Of course, there are very few of them left.
La historia es que en la Primera Guerra Mundial se hundió un barco de alemanes y no volvieron a Alemania, fundaron una colonia.
What happened was that during the First World War, a German ship was sunk, and the survivors, rather than go back to Germany, arrived in Argentina, and they started that.
Y luego en
settlement.
la segunda, pues fueron.
And then, of course, during the Second World War, many more Germans began arriving there.
Pero si van a Argentina, visiten la Cumbrecita.
But if you go to Argentina, make sure that you visit La Cumbrecita. Gentleman here.
Myth or not, obviously all these characters, you have a vast backstory in your head somewhere. Can you talk about how you developed and a little bit elaborate maybe on the little backstories about Santos and Walter and some of the other characters?
Es obvio que tienes toda la historia de cada personaje en la película de Santos, de la chica.
You must have notebooks full.
Inventaste historias. ¿Puedes contar un poco el backstory?
Sí,
¿Qué pasó antes de la película con esos personajes?
No la tengo. Sorry.
I really don't have it.
Es una película que está hecha de manera muy automática.
This film was made rather automatically.
Sobre Santos sí reflexioné mucho.
About Santos, I actually have thought a lot.
Probablemente es un hombre que trabajó con Perón.
Probably he's a man who worked with Perón.
Perón tenía un lugarteniente que era un hijo de puta, que se llamaba López Rega.
Perón had a kind of lieutenant who was named López Pereira, who was a real son of a bitch.
Que fundó la triple A.
Who formed the AAA, which was...
Y le gustaba rodearse de gallegos, de españoles.
And this man loved to surround himself with people who were Spanish immigrants,
Que eran duros.
who were really tough.
Probablemente Santos trabajó con este hombre,
Santos probably worked with that man.
pero luego trabajó también con los militares.
But after that, he probably also worked with the military regime.
Pero ahora se vende al mejor postor.
And now, of course, he sells himself to the highest bidder.
Pero la película no trata de esto, ni es importante.
Of course, the film doesn't really deal with this, and it's not really important.
Creo que reducir la película a una lectura política, psicológica o clínica sería empequeñecerla.
You know, it would really be to minimize the film, to reduce it to just a kind of political or psychological story that way.
O clínica.
Or very clinical sort of reading.
Es una película mucho más lúdica, mucho más festiva.
It's a kind of much sort of freer film, much more festive.
Para disfrutarla como una canción, como un cuento,
Yeah, I want people to enjoy it as if they would a song.
aunque tiene muchos temas, es verdad.
Of course, there are many themes in it and ideas in it.
Para mí es una novela de caballerías,
You know, in a certain way, it's a kind of romance novel for me.
como El Quijote.
Like Don Quixote.
El Quijote es la primera road movie de la historia.
You know, when you think of it, you know, Don Quixote is the first road movie in history.
Hay muchos episodios, sí,
Eso
it's
Albert
true.
Serra me dijo.
Sí. Hay muchos episodios y van encadenándose.
It's, you know, it's full of lots of different episodes that are all kind of connected.
Y como Cervantes, que escribía de tirón, como Mark Twain, esta película tiene sus momentos mejores y momentos peores.
And just like Cervantes, who just wrote, you know, without sort of going over things and whatever, just like Mark Twain did, this film has great moments and then some that aren't so great.
Y eso lo hace más cercana a la vida.
And that's, in a certain way, makes it a little bit closer to the experience of life itself.
Es una película muy poco calculada,
It's a film that really hasn't been calculated very much, very planned out.
pero muy preparada, sí.
Very prepared, but not calculated.
Porque no tendría sentido preparar una película en la que los personajes no preparan su vida, corren.
It would make a lot of sense to sort of calculate too closely a film about characters who do just the opposite in their lives, who don't calculate or plan for anything.
Por eso la película la rodamos muy rápidamente,
That's one of the reasons why we shot the film very quickly.
con una o dos tomas, sin ensayos, sin ensayos con los actores, sin aparatos complicados de iluminación.
So that's how we shot the film, very often using only first takes without any kind of rehearsals, with very, very simple lighting, not a lot of equipment,
Con los actores conduciendo el coche,
with the actors themselves driving the car.
que eso se incorpora, yo creo, en ellos y notas cierta verdad.
And that sort of, you know, brings on a feeling where you feel a certain truth, a certain authenticity to the film.
Digo cierta porque luego la película es muy estilizada, es muy...
I say a certain one because, on the other hand, it's a very stylistic film, very stylized film.
tiene mucho cuidado por el color, por el decorado.
We really spent a lot of time taking care of, you know, really the color, the backgrounds, the settings.
Yo estaba muy triste mientras la hacía,
Actually, while I was making the film, I was very sad. ¿Por qué?
porque la mujer con la que llevaba 20 años me descubrí que ya no me quería.
Because the woman who I had been living with for 20 years, I discovered she no longer loved me.
Y es la primera vez que puedo nombrarlo.
And it's the first time I can actually speak about it.
Entonces significa que ya estoy curado.
Well, this means he's cured.
Si las cosas que no se nombran no existen, decía Lacan, ¿no?
And as Lacan says, if you can't say something, it doesn't exist.
Y ahora puedo decirlo.
And now I can talk about it.
Yo durante la película no dormí,
During the filming, I never slept.
solo tomaba tranquilizantes,
I was taking tranquilizers,
antidepresivos
antidepressants,
y mucha ginebra.
and lots of gin.
Y probablemente de ese producto, de ese cóctel, pues ha salido una película de esta naturaleza.
And possibly from that cocktail came out a film emerged that's like the one you've just seen.
Yo quería correr, quería olvidar,
I just wanted to run away. I just wanted to forget,
como Santos.
as Santos
O
did.
sea, detenerse es recordar.
You know? In a certain way to get away, but at the same time to remember.
Correr es olvidar, esto está en la esencia de la road movie.
Yeah. You know, to run and to forget is really the very essence of the road movie.
Milan Kundera lo formuló muy bonito en un libro que se llama La lentitud.
Milan Kundera really wrote about this very beautifully in a film called La Lentitud.
¿Qué dice? La lentitud es la velocidad es proporcional a la intensidad. La intensidad de la velocidad es proporcional a la intensidad del olvido.
I can't think of what the title would be in English of the unbearable lightness of being.
La intensidad de la velocidad es proporcional a la intensidad del olvido. Y la intensidad de la lentitud es proporcional a la intensidad del recuerdo.
Okay.
For that it's necessary to fast. Correr para olvidar todo.
Dígalo otra vez.
Es que no lo recuerdo bien, estoy improvisando. Que la intensidad de la velocidad es proporcional a la intensidad del olvido.
Yeah, the intensity of the velocity is proportional to the intensity of the process of forgetting.
Y a la inversa, la intensidad de la lentitud es proporcional a la intensidad del recuerdo.
And in opposite of that, the sort of intensity of the slowness of traveling is proportional to the slowness of remembering.
Por eso corre el personaje, por eso corría yo.
And that's why this character is running away, and that's why I was running away.
Tiene que ver con la película, creo, aunque mi vida personal no la hace mejor ni peor, tiene que ver con la película.
Yeah, even though it doesn't make my own personal life better or worse, it obviously has something to do with the film. We have time for one more. Okay, the gentleman here is in the middle.
Hi, especially after that comment, can you talk about how you came up with the idea to take the sound out completely and just have what was going on inside the character's head and lose the background sound? Was that something that you came up with in editing, or?
Can you talk about the use of sound in the film, especially when the sound drops out and we only get other sounds that are perhaps in the characters' heads?
Yo estoy encantado de haber visto esta película en este cine, pero sobre todo de haberla oído.
I'm really delighted to have seen the film in this cinema, but I'm even more delighted to have heard the film.
De verdad, ustedes son muy afortunados.
You guys are very lucky.
He recorrido el mundo con las películas y hay pocas salas que se vean y oigan como esta.
I've traveled the world with my films, and I must tell you there are very few cinemas where you can enjoy a film like you can here.
En San Sebastián pasó y fue un infierno en el Cursal.
You know, I showed this in San Sebastian, and it was like hell. It was really
Un
terrible.
infierno, porque la película es muy compleja de sonido.
Because this film has a very complex soundtrack.
Toda la disposición espacial de la cámara también existe por el sonido. Es un sonido en 3D, podemos decir.
Because all the sort of positioning of the camera is always kind of done in relationship to the way that the sound was recorded. It's almost recorded in 3D, one could say.
Yo soy bastante sordo.
I'm somewhat deaf.
Y cuando era pequeño mis padres no me dejaban ver películas ni la tele y vivía en un piso pequeño y las películas las oía en vez de verlas.
And my parents, when I was young, wouldn't let me go to the movies or even watch television, so I would be in like a small adjoining room, but I would still hear movies or television.
For that I love the sound.
And because of that, I love sound in cinema.
Para colocar la cámara, yo siempre me digo, ¿qué se oye?
Whenever I'm placing the camera, the first question I ask, what would we be hearing?
¿Por qué desaparece el sonido a veces?
Why does the sound disappear?
Pues primero por una cuestión rítmica.
First, because of a rhythmic question.
Igual que cambias de plano, haces desaparecer el sonido.
Just like you change shots, sometimes you do away with sound.
Por una cuestión musical,
Kind of almost a musical issue.
pero también dramática.
But it also has a dramatic content.
Cuando desaparece el sonido, el tiempo se dilata de otra manera.
When the sound disappears, time sort of is registered in a different way.
Una de las partes que más me gusta es cuando dice, Santos y Erika en el silencio confortable de la carretera, como si conocieran hace muchos años, aunque solo hace unos minutos que se han encontrado.
One of the parts I like most in the film when it says Santos y Sandra, alone on the road in a silence, very comfortable being together as if they had been together for many years, when in fact they've only been together for a few minutes.
Y el plano quieto, moviéndose el paisaje y en silencio.
And it's the camera's still, we're just moving through space, and you just get silence.
Yo viéndolo ahora tengo la sensación de que parece que se imprime de otra manera todo. Parece que estamos imprimiendo la leyenda de ellos dos.
Watching the film now, it almost seems when I watch that what we're doing is actually printing the legend of these two characters.
No sé, es raro de explicar, pero tengo esa sensación que al desaparecer el sonido, estoy viendo pasar una página, no lo sé, o una pintura, no sé explicarlo, la leyenda.
I don't really know. It's sort of like, as you're writing and you're trying to express something, or as if it were a painting, I'm not sure I can express it well, but it really is kind of like, this is how we create the legend.
Es un recurso más.
It's just really a technique. Okay, I'm afraid that's all we have time for. I want to thank Javier very much
Gracias.
for coming
Gracias.
to a city he doesn't like. And thank you.